The Moon Twins present How Do Mutations Occur in COVID-19 in Humans, as well as an explanation of mutation variants. In this lesson, you will learn how mutations occur in COVID-19 and in humans. You will also learn about some of the latest variants of COVID-19, as well as the different ways DNA sequence codes can change. All viruses and the COVID-19 virus are not considered living things. They are considered parasites of sorts because they need a host in order to reproduce and make copies of themselves. As they invade the host cell, their genetic material incorporates with the host. As the host replicates, it also replicates many copies of the virus. In the case of the D614G mutation, it makes this happen quicker. The human cell has a receptor called the ACE2 that the spikes of the COVID virus sticks to. Even though it is not a complete fit, it is enough to invade that cell and trick it into making so many copies of itself that it bursts open with them. The immune system steps in to try to put blocks on the spikes. This mutation causes the shape of the spikes to fit even better on the ACE2 receptors. This causes more of the respiratory tract cells to become infected, so that when a person sneezes or coughs, they are releasing even more of the virus into the air around them. This explains why it is now spreading faster. As the COVID-19 virus continues to infect humans at an alarming rate, the chances of continual mutations increases also. A change in the base sequences of the virus's mRNA can change its characteristics. Mutations occur spontaneously. If it happens to be a mutation that allows the virus to thrive, then it will be prevalent. For example, the B.1.1.7 mutation has allowed the COVID virus to be approximately 50% more transmissible. The spikes attach easier, so therefore it is more easily spread. The E484K variant is harder for the human immune system to recognize. Their ability to change target sites makes the antibodies less effective. Mutations occur when there is a mistake in the genetic code of either the virus or in an organism such as a human. There are a variety of ways a mistake can happen. Any change in the sequence will cause a mutation. With inversion, bases of the genetic code break off, flip backward, and reattach, changing the code into a mutated one. Duplication is when the genetic code is repeated in a segment, thus changing the original code. Deletions happen when a base is missing. Insertions occur when a base is added to a sequence and changes the code. We can't talk about mutations without talking about translocations. For a translocation to occur, one piece of a human chromosome is added to another. Also occurring in humans is non-disjunction. A whole chromosome will fail to move into a gamete during meiosis, which is also known as sexual reproduction. In this lesson, you have learned how mutations occur in COVID-19 and in humans. You also learned about some of the latest variants of COVID-19, as well as the different ways that DNA sequence codes can change. Be sure to check out the complementary activities on our Teachers Pay Teachers website, as well as lots of other topics.